Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video is something I'm personally very excited about because it's a Myntra Summer Dresses Haul, and honestly summer fashion is equals to best fashion. No heavy layering, no overthinking, just throw on a cute dress and you are good to go. So in today's haul, I've picked a mix of easy everyday dresses, brunch and vacation vibes, and also a few statement pieces that can totally elevate your look. Also, I am not just showing outfits, I'm giving you my real honest reviews, like what worked, what didn't, sizing issue, everything. So if you are planning to shop, this video will actually help you. Now without wasting any time, let's get into it. Okay, so starting with this beautiful green printed dress, first reaction was when I opened this, I was like, okay, this is giving very fresh Pinterest vacation vibes instantly. The print is honestly the highlight here, very unique, not the usual basic floral, and it's just scream summers. Also the color, the green is very soothing to the eyes, not too loud, not too dull, just perfect. Now coming to the fabric, it's lightweight, breathable and super comfortable, guys. Let's be real, in Indian summers, if the fabric is not breathable, you are not going to wear the outfit again. So fit is relaxed, not too tight, not too loose, just that perfect easy fit. And this is the kind of dress where you don't need to overthink styling, just put it on, carry a sling and you are good to go. Like literally, throw on flats, casual day look, and heels, brunch ready, and a cute sling bag, complete Pinterest vibes. Also, I feel this dress photographs really well. If you are someone who loves clicking pictures, this is a win. Perfect for vacations, brunch dates, day outing, casual shopping days. Perfect for everything. One thing, if you prefer a more structured or fitted look, this might feel a little too relaxed for you, but for me, I love this vibe. Very effortless, very breezy, and definitely one of my favorite from this haul. So the next up is this maroon dress. Now let me clear one thing first, this is actually a A-line dress, not a bodycon like it looks online, and on me it's slightly loose, so I didn't get that snitched fitted look as I was expecting. But this is still very classy and elegant, so I ordered it for my birthday and I thought I would look very good in this, but somehow for the sizing issue it doesn't fit me well. So talking about the pattern, it a nice texture which makes it look a bit more premium. So if you are someone who prefers comfort over tight fits, this is the one. And it was also a ethnic and a party wear look outfit, so you'll actually love this. But if you want that proper body hugging look, then I'd suggest going one size smaller. Styling option, you can pair it with the heels for classy vibes and boots for a slightly bold and edge look. It is perfect for dinners, evening outings, small functions. So yeah, good piece, just manage your sizing expectations. Now let's talk about the black cutout dress. I had a very high expectation from this one because this was looking so classy online on the picture, because design wise it is stunning. Like cutout detailing perfect, fabric good quality, stretchable, finish very neat, overall vibe minimal but bold. It is giving very effortlessly hot energy, but when I tried it on, I just didn't feel it. Like, you know, though I personally don't like fitted dresses, body hugging dresses, but I think this is something we all go through. Sometimes the outfit is perfect, but it just doesn't suit your body type or your comfort level. And for me, I didn't feel comfortable and confident in it, so I would not keep it. So I am most probably going to return this one, but that doesn't mean it is bad. If you love bold styles, comfortable with cutouts, like statement outfits, you might actually slay in this. So yeah, quality is 10 on 10. Me wearing it, not happening. Next is this super super cute pink check dress. This one is giving very soft, girly, everyday vibes, like very main character going out for a coffee energy. So it is perfect for that, coffee dates and shopping and little casual outings. So it is very lightweight, comfortable, and perfect for daily wear if you want to go for it. If you want to go, but again, sizing issue for me. This one is slightly big on me, so it's not fitting the way I wanted it to. I'll definitely exchange it for one size smaller. Otherwise, it's really cute and good dress. Fabric is also very breathable, good for summers, so you can style it with sneakers for a casual vibe, flats for a simple day out, and little heels for a proper date outings. Perfect for college, shopping, casual meetups. So yes, just one size down and you are good to go. Now this is a brown floral dress, and okay, now this one is I am obsessed with. This is the summer dress. The floral print is so soft and feminine. It instantly gives the dreamy vibe. And the moment I wore it, I was like, okay, this is a yes. Fit is flattering, hugs at the right places, flowy beautifully, and just look very graceful. Fabric also moves really nicely, which adds to that overall aesthetic look. And honestly, this is the kind of dress that makes you look like you are put effort even when you haven't. Styling ideas would be dainty jewelry, soft glam makeup, sandals or block heels, or a pointed heels for completing the outfit. Perfect for brunch dates, vacations, day events, small celebrations. This is definitely one of the top favorites. Very pretty, very wearable, very photogenic. And lastly, this baby pink dress with 3D detailing. First of all, the color so soft, so elegant. I just love it. And I recently watched Bridgerton. So मेरे को ना ये बहुत ही Bridgerton vibes दे रहा था. So I thought to buy it, but because it just got this puff sleeves, 3D details, make it look a little dressy without being too much, And this pastel color, oh my god, this pastel colors are very summer friendly. Like it just doesn't make you very bold, and it just doesn't make you very bright. So it is perfect for summers and bright sunny day. So design wise, no complaints at all, but again, sizing issue. Fit is slightly off for me, and so I'll probably exchange this one as well. Otherwise, it's really beautiful piece, especially if you like minimal outfits with little extra detail. Perfect for family functions, day events, or subtle festival looks. So I think you can go for it if you like such outfits. I am going to exchange my size and go for it. So that was my Myntra dresses haul. I really tried to keep this video honest and helpful so you can make better shopping decision. So my top favorites would be green printed dress, brown floral dress, and the check cute dress. These two I'm definitely keeping. Rest I'll exchange or return depending on the size. And honestly, biggest lesson from this haul, always check sizes properly. Now you tell me in the comments which dress did you like the most. All the product links are in the description box below in case you want to check them out. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. It really means a lot. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.